Now we're going to get into our specialty fabrics module of textiles. And here we're just going to go over some of the commonly used specialty fabrics when we're talking about special occasions designs. And I have here on page 47 of the sewing book listed some properties of silk or special occasions fabrics. So what I love about this book also is that not only does it tell you sort of the content of the fabrics, it also tells you some tools as well as finishes that will complement the fabric. So here we have the chiffon as just an example. It tells you some properties of the chiffon, some techniques when cutting it out, i.e. using tissue paper. French seams is a seam that we'll cover when we're doing our dressmaking portion. I just cover some seams that are helpful when you're doing special occasion fabrics. The kinds of thread, the needle uses. Again, if you're using silk, you want to make sure you get the finest needle possible. That way you don't have any leftover hole marks inside of it. And like I said, the book is great because it gives you all this extra detail. So we have crepe de chine, Duchess satin, Dupani. We have our shanting, Georgette, Hubatai, Matka, organza, satin, silk, wool blend, taffeta. And those are some of the main fabrics that are used in special occasions. I also have lace, sequin, and those are also special occasions types of fabric. So again, this is more of just an overview of the types of fabrics that are used in dressmaking. I also wanted to show you guys some techniques that I use when I am cutting the fabrics or when I am trying to put them together. For more detailed information regarding the most commonly used fabrics in special occasions dressmaking, please head to the link in the description for my specialty fabrics ebook. I go into full detail. There's pictures there and explanation of how to use the fabrics and the tips for the best possible outcome. Visit the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Videos are uploaded weekly covering dressmaking, fashion, lectures, and more.